Yes, sir. Thursday morning. Woo! A little Ric Flair for you. By the end of this video, you're going to understand this title. I was having dinner with my buddy Bill Griffin about 2 weeks ago, a colleague, coach, trainer. And we were talking about our spouses. And he used this word, which I loved. He said, we have amazing spouses that channel us. And what he was talking about was the energy he and I bring. I'm laughing because it was an interesting conversation, and how we walk in the door and they channel us. I had this thought in this picture in my head of a crash test dummy. And I thought about how I'm the dummy. And I bring all this speed and inertia into the front door. And then my amazing spouse channels that energy across different spots, places, conversations. So, point of this video, Thursday Warriors, is we all need something to channel, receive that inertia that we have, especially for drivers. So if you don't have a coach, a mentor, a spouse, a partner, somebody who's doing that for you, I'm gonna challenge you to start looking. And if you don't know where to start, call me, message me. I'll open up the Rolodex for you. So, Thursday Warriors, don't be a dummy. See you next week.